Welcome to our tutorial on how to show personal level indicators in Gmail on your PC. Personal level indicators are a helpful feature in Gmail that allow you to gauge the importance of an email based on its sender. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable personal level indicators in your Gmail account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, locate Personal Level Indicators and click on Show Indicators. This will enable the personal level indicators in your Gmail inbox. By following these steps, you can easily enable personal level indicators in Gmail, providing you with valuable information about the sender's importance. This can help you prioritize and manage your emails more effectively. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.